Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pooja and I hope you are doing absolutely fine. So today's video is a monthly favorites video. So like every month, today as well I'll be talking to you guys about my favorites, about things I've been loving in the past month and which I've been using a lot. So now without any further delay, if you guys want to know what all I've been loving in the past month, then please keep on watching the video. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Also hit that bell notification so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And let's just get started with the video. First product is not a skincare item, it is not a beauty product, it's not a makeup product as well. The product is this candle. So this candle is from Shreya Jain's brand and it is in the variant Kanauj Gulab. This is how it looks like. So I got this candle around 1.5 months back. The quality is so nice and this is in the variant Kanauj Gulab. It smells divine. बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी smell है इसकी. मैंने इसको 2 या 3 बार यूज की है. As you can see, according to the price range as well, this product is very nice. I'll mention the prices of all the products on the screen as well as in the description box below. I don't remember the exact price, but it came around 250-300 वैसे ही रेंज में था कुछ. I have a lot of beauty products this time because मैंने last month काफी कुछ नया ट्राई किया था. It is an eyeliner pen from Kiro. This is how it looks like. इसको लिए हुए मेरे को almost 20 days हो चुके हैं. This has already become my favorite eyeliner. I have tried sugar eyeliners. I have tried Color Bar ka. I have tried Lakme. I have tried Maybelline as well. But this eyeliner is amazing. It is so good. It is jet black. ये 1 सेकंड में ड्राई हो जाती है. इट इज वाटरप्रूफ. इट विल नॉट स्मज और मूव एनीवेयर. इट इज such a nice eyeliner. This is a bit costly. इसका original price I guess around 900 या वैसा कुछ है, but I got it on a very nice discount. मैंने ये Cred से ऑर्डर की थी. For those of you all who don't know, Cred is a app जहाँ से आप अपना क्रेडिट कार्ड वगैरह का पेमेंट करते हो एंड वहाँ पे काफी कुछ आपको ऑफर्स और डिस्काउंट भी मिलते हैं डिफरेंट ब्रांड्स में. ओके एंड कैन यू सी This eyeliner is amazing, you guys. If you're someone who's going for a beach vacation या फिर आपको ऐसे ही waterproof eyeliner चाहिए, please go for this one. Well, I think Kiro is running on some discount on their website, so please check that out. इसकी टिप इतनी sharp है and it is so thin. आप आराम से, even if you're a beginner, आप आराम से इसे wing liner draw कर सकते हो. आपको एकदम प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी. Moving on, I have something which has been there with me for quite some time now, but I've been recently obsessed with it. It is this white nail paint from Nykaa. I'm also wearing this nail paint right now. I don't know, I've developed this liking for white nail paints a lot recently. मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी लगती है white nail paints यूज करनी. I know it is a bit difficult to maintain white nail paints. मतलब 2 बार कुछ किचन में खाना बनाने जाओ तो पूरा सत्यानाश हो जाता है. But whenever I sit to film or whenever I'm going out, I really like applying white nail paints. This one is really nice. It is matte. It doesn't chip off so easily. Alright, moving on. We have something from Lakme as well and it is their Lakme 925 Primer Plus Matte Perfect Cover Foundation. So I usually don't buy foundations online because I suck at choosing my shade and I really wanted to try this foundation since a very long time now, since the time it has launched actually. Because I thought let's just give it a chance and मंगा के देखते हैं जैसे भी होगा. And trust me you guys, this is a perfect shade for me. Today I'm wearing this foundation and एक और नया product try किया है. By the way, the eyeliner is also the new one, the Kiro one. Coming back to this foundation, this is such a nice foundation. I have dry skin and मतलब मैं normally moisturize जैसे हमेशा सारे foundations के लिए करती हूँ, इसके लिए भी किया. And this gives you such a beautiful finish, but will not dry out or it will not cling into your dry patches. Any which ways moisturize तो हमेशा ही आपको अच्छे से करना चाहिए. कोई भी foundation आप use करो उसके पहले. If you have dry skin, even if you have oily skin, please moisturize. But this foundation is so beautiful. मैं मैंने जब से ये ऑर्डर किया मैं तब से इसी को यूज कर रही हूँ. कहीं पे भी बाहर जा रही हूँ तो It stays on for a really long time and आपका base बहुत flawless लगता है इससे. I really love this foundation. I am in the shade 240 warm beige. I really like the applicator as well. इसका ये जो applicator है मैं इसे डायरेक्टली अप्लाई कर लेती हूँ एंड देन आई ब्लेंड इट. इफ यू आर समवन हु इज जस्ट स्टार्टिंग आउट विद मेकअप एज वेल, यू कैन डेफिनेटली गिव दिस फाउंडेशन अ ट्राई. इट इज अंडर 500 rupees. Let me tell you the exact MRP. It is for 475 rupees, but you will always get on a nice discount in Nykaa or Amazon. So while we are talking about foundation, let's talk about concealer as well. So this time I tried a new concealer and it is from Swiss Beauty. It is the Swiss Beauty Liquid Concealer. Again, I wanted to try a new concealer and I thought of giving this one a try. This is again such a beautiful concealer. Today I am wearing it. If I'm not wrong, this is number 1 only. Yeah. And it comes for rupees 229. My under eyes are really dry, okay? तो कंसीलर कोई भी बहुत ज्यादा अगर मैं देर तक लगा के रखूँ या फिर इफ आई लेयर अप तो बहुत बार चांसेस होती है कि मेरी अंडर आइज बहुत ज्यादा ड्राई दिखने लग जाती है एंड बहुत पैची लगने लग जाती है. बट विद दिस कंसीलर, सच अ beautiful concealer, you guys, it will not dry out your under eyes. It has such a beautiful formula. And according to the price range, I think it is really nice. So I would suggest you to try this concealer as well if you're looking for a more affordable concealer but a very good quality. Try this one out. But it just comes in 5 to 6 shades, so that is a drawback. But if you find your own shade, then please go for this one. Please try this one out. We are just left with the last 2 products. So the next product is from Minimalist. It is their hyaluronic acid 2% plus B5 serum. I don't know if you can see, I've already used half of it. I'm trying out this serum since last 1 month because I come from a dry skin family, so anything that is hydrating I always gravitate towards it. And I think hyaluronic acid serums are something that works wonders for dry skin as well as oily skin people, but because it will not make your skin feel more oilier or greasy. The hyaluronic serum by Minimalist has become my favorite. I use this serum daily. A nice texture. It just gets absorbed into your face like a dream. It is so nice. It is such a lightweight serum and gives a perfect amount of hydration. You can use hyaluronic acid both in day as well as in night. And the best part about hyaluronic serum is कि ये किसी और serum के साथ भी आप use कर सकते हो. Like you are doing any kind, like vitamin C serum or retinols या फिर किसी के साथ भी. So it will not irritate your skin, which is the best thing. Even for sensitive skin people, it is always good to do a patch test before you use any kind of serum or actives or any new product for that matter. And this serum by Minimalist is my favorite. My skincare routine is literally incomplete without this serum. And the last product for this haul is a set of these razors. The Carmesy facial razors for women. I got these razors recently and these comes in a pack of 3. It is how the razor look like. It comes with its own cap, which is a really nice thing, so you don't have to worry about dirt getting accumulated in here. For the longest time I was using razors, facial razors from Miniso. मैं अपनी eyebrows, अपनी upper lips and face shave उसी से करती हूँ, but उसी से करती थी, but I think they have stopped making those razors anymore and काफी time से वो ना ही Amazon में available था ना ही Miniso store में. So this time I really had to go for something new and I was really skeptical about buying new razors, but I thought of giving this one a try and this is a really nice razor. और मैंने अभी तक सिर्फ अपने आईब्रोज किए हैं इससे एंड आई थिंक आई हैव डन अ प्रीटी गुड जॉब. द ब्लेड इज नॉट दैट शार्प दैट इट विल गिव यू अ कट और समथिंग, बट ये एकदम आराम से आपके हेयर्स को भी निकाल देगा. एंड आई रियली लाइक दीज रेजर्स. दे कम for rupees 299. So if you guys are looking for new razors to try on, then definitely give these ones a shot. These are really nice. Alright, with this I finished this favorites video, but I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until then, bye bye, take care.